Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name's Ailey. Today's video is just a tutorial on the look you can see me wearing right now. It is just a couple of days away from Halloween. I have been filming a couple more Halloween tutorials. I literally accidentally deleted the footage of the video that I recorded yesterday, and I'm frantically working to try and get the footage back right now, but I am sort of devastated. So I thought I would do another sort of little Halloweeny tutorial. Really, I just wanted to do something that for people who don't really want to go all blood and gore, they don't want to go out with like a full face of face paint and stuff like that. People still just want to kind of have a little bit of Halloween but not go kind of crazy all out or anything like that. So this tutorial is for you. Really, it is just hella dramatic on the eyes. As soon as I seen this colour, this is Coin from the Vault collection, the Armed and Gorgeous palette, and I just knew that I would use this colour at Halloween at some point. I just think the kind of greeny gold in it just could make such a beautiful Halloween look, and paired with oranges and things like that, I think it works really well. So fingers crossed I'll have another Halloween video for you on Halloween itself, which is Wednesday, but I'm going to stop rambling now and let you just watch this tutorial. It is super easy, there's nothing crazy intricate in it or anything like that, so it should be super easy to follow. Just if you fancy adding a little bit of Halloween into your makeup, maybe you're going out with some kids trick-or-treating and stuff like that, so yeah, or guysing as we call it. But I'm going to stop rambling now and let you watch this tutorial. So if you enjoy it, I would love if you get a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I post videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday usually. I keep saying this, I am trying, I have fallen a little bit behind, but hopefully we're back on schedule now, so hopefully I will see you guys in my next video.